Welcome back. As now our email code is ready, so we'll do one testing. So the from address I'm setting here, you can set anything. So I'm just setting here the address. Subject is like test email from SAP, and into I'm just adding a random email address. Let's say 123@gmail.com. We can add a multiple to as well because we already have a loop there, right? So here I will add multiple email address 1234. So from email ID subject to email address, and let's say hi, this is a test email sent from demo program. Okay, using email classes. Thanks. I will save this variant so I can use this at the next time. Test, test. Fine. Now if I execute, see the email sent successfully. Now to check the email, we have to go to transaction code SOST. What is the T code? SOST. This T code we have to enter. Okay, now if I go to transaction code SOST, if I just refresh, see here we can see the email. So why here we are seeing 2 times? Because I have added 2 recipient here. Okay, for the each recipient, system will show 2 times. So I will just select this and click on display. So here we can see this is a raw email. Okay, this is not a HTML content. So same email we can see here. Okay, go to recipient list, and here we can see the 2 recipient, 1 and 2. Fine. So if you want to check in the debugging mode, that too also you can do. Okay, as of now I not added the code for CC and BCC. So email if I add, even if I add, it will not work. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 because I not added a code. So if I execute, this will give email sent successfully, but here in the SOST will not see that. See in the SOST, okay, in the SOST, even if I check again, so in the recipient we will see only 2 email address because even though I passed on selection screen, but I have not added the code. Okay, so let's add quickly the code in the same program. Okay, so the 2 here is working perfectly. Okay, so let's keep this session short. So in this we will learn, we just done the testing by passing the from subject to email address and the email body. So what we'll do, we'll see how to add the code logic to add the CC and BCC in the next session. So that we'll see in the next session. Thank you.